Good morning, students. And today I'm going to discuss introduction to Python, and I'm going to cover in this video these topics: introduction to Python, history of Python, difference between the Python version 2 and Python version 3, and also difference between the Python and C language. Introduction to Python. Python is developed by Van Rossum and started implementing the Python in 1989. Python is a very simple programming language. So even if you are new to programming language, without facing any issues, you have to learn simply in the Python programming. Python is a simple programming language and a general purpose language, high level language, and also Python supports object oriented programming language. The Python syntax is a dynamic typing with its interpreted nature make it an ideal language but for scripting and rapid application development. Python language does not have any coding type. It has only scripted typing language. You use only English language or English pages to use and implementing the Python code. For example, we have to use Python programming. I am implementing the one programming in C language and I write 150 lines in C language for write one programming. That programming implementing Python, I have wrote only 10 lines. That is the main difference between the Python and other languages. In Python, we have to reduce the code very reducing the code and also easy to learn Python language. And Python supports multiple programming patterns and including object-oriented, imperative and functional or procedural programming style. When you are using a Python, the same programming can have to use different types and multiple programming have to include at a time. And Python is named after the comedy television show Monty Python's Flying Creases. It is not named after the Python snake. The Python is developed in the Netherlands. And after that, history of Python. Python is a foundation in the late 1980s. At that time, to start the 1980s, the implementation of Python was started in December 1989, resumed at the Netherlands and Research Institute of Mathematics, Netherlands to implementing the Python language. In February 1991, Van Rossum published the code. It is a label version 0.9.0 to alt.sources. It's alt.sources. After that, 1994, Python 1 version is released with new features like lambda, map, filter, and reduce code. In these features, you have to release after 1994 in Python version 1. After that, Python version 2 added new features like list comprehensions, garbage collection of systems. Add the Python version 2. After that, on December 3rd, 2008, Python version 3 was released. It was designed to rectify the fundamental flaw of languages. It is also called as PY3K. And after that, ABC, all basic code programming language, is said to be the procedure of Python language, which was capable of exception handling and interfacing with the operating system. After that, the releasing the history of Python in Python version 1 released January 1994. Python 1.5 released December 31st, 1997. Python 1.6 released September 5th, 2000. Python 2.0 October 16th, 2000 released. Python 2.1 version released April 17th, 2001. Python 2.2 December 21st, 2001 is released. Python 2.3 July 29th, 2003. Similarly, the Python versions implementing and latest version available till date, Python version 3.9.2 is present working this version. The difference between the Python version 2 and Python version 3. These are the some key points or key differences between the Python version 2 and Python version 3. In Python version 3, syntax is similar and easily understandable, whereas Python version 2, when compared to the Python version syntax, comparatively it is too difficult to understand. It means that in Python the syntax is very easily understood. Python version 2 syntax difficult to understand. Python 3 version difficult to storing of strings is unique code, whereas Python 2 stores need to define unique code string value with double quotations of U. When you are storing unique codes or different types of codes, is defaultly storing the Python 3. But Python version 2 stores need to define unique code string value with U only. When you store any string value in the Python version 3, to defaultly stored. But in Python 2, when you store any string, we have to define different unique codes. In Python version 3, value of variables never change. In Python version 3, variables never change. And Python version 2, the value of global variable will be changed while using it inside for loop. Python version 3, exceptions should be enclosed in the parentheses, while Python version 2, exceptions should be enclosed in notations only. When you are using Python 3, exceptions should be closed in parentheses. But Python 2 version enclosed with the notations. The rule of ordering comparisons are simplified in the Python version 3. But the rule of ordering comparisons are very complex in Python 2 version. When Python 3 offers range functions to perform iterations. Iteration means step by step using the valuation or compiling the or execution the step by step or using iteration. In Python 2, X range used for the iterations. And the why Python version 3 widely used? What are the reasons? The Python 3 supports modern techniques like artificial intelligence, machine learning, and data science. It means that Python version 3 supports advanced languages also, and also defending most of the deriving the algorithms. Python 3 version supported by large Python developers community. It means that large programs and large number of programmers execution at a time to developing the programming, and it gets supports easy. It is easier to learn Python language compared to earlier versions. It is a powerful toolkit and number of libraries or number of functions can be used in the Python version 3. It is a mixable with other languages. The difference between the Python programming language and C language. First one, in these three columns, one is matrices, Python and C. Introduction. Introduction means Python is a interpreted language and high level language and general purpose programming language. It means that when you execution the programming in Python, step by step will be executed. In C is a general purpose language and procedural computer programming language. And speed of the programming languages. The interpreted programming execute slower as compared to compiled programs. It means that the Python programming executed is slower, and in C language is faster when executing the program at a time once using compile. Usage. It is easier to write code in Python and number of lines is less comparatively. When I write a program in Python, lines is code is very less, number of lines will be less, but C programming program syntax harder than the Python. When compared to the Python program, C programming is difficult. And declaration of variables. There is no need to declare the type of variables in Python programming. No need to declare the variables. Variables are untyped in the Python. A given variable can be stuck on value of different types at different times during the programming execution. When your program variables are untyped, a given variable can be different times to be execution in the declaration of the programming. In C, the type of variable must be declared when it is created, and only value of that type must be assigned to it. Error debugging. In the Python, error easily identified. In C language, it is too difficult. It means that why easy to identify the errors in Python means it is a interpreter using. It is step by step execution the lines. But in C, entire programming execution the at a time. Complexity. Syntax of Python program is easy to learn, write and read. But the syntax of C program is harder than the Python. It is too difficult to maintain or write or read syntax when compared to the Python. Memory management. Python uses an automatic garbage collector for memory management. The garbage collector implementing the Python version 3. In C, the programmer has to do memory management on their own. It is depending on the memory allocation by the user. Built-in functions. Python has a large library of built-in functions. Built-in function means in C language, you have to write #include stdio.h, #include stdlib.h, conio.h. These are the library functions. In C has a limited number of library functions. Implementing the data structures. Give easy of implementing data structures with built-in inside append on the functions. In Python, implementing the algorithms and queues, FIFO, and different types of sortings and different types of algorithms or expressions how to use Python language. But when you are implementing data structures, requires its functions to be explicitly implemented. This is the difference between the Python and C language.